This incredible home is called the Yamaguchicho house by Slow architects in Nagoya. It rocks. It's charred timber, which is a traditional way of sealing timber in Japan. And what's really interesting is that on the inside is a lot of concrete, a lot of thermal mass, which when you look at many Japanese houses, the thermal mass is actually on the outside. And that's the crazy place to put thermal mass because it gets incredibly hot in summer and really cold in winter. So there's something incredibly thoughtful about the environmental mechanics of this building and also the link back to tradition. Look at that beautiful charred timber. Look at the thinness of that roof. It almost feels like it's going to blow away in that sort of delicate Japanese way, but it's a concrete house. The structure continues through the wall, and then there's just this really delicate thin edge that's just in black steel. The level changes are really thoughtful. You can see that actually there's concrete wall here, and this is bermed up to it. And so even though it looks quite small in scale, it's actually a multi-leveled house. So gorgeous. The only articulation on the outside is this beautiful, simple, rusted steel. And look, this is garbage day. The small amount of garbage they produce is just left out the front. Leave a comment if you know how the charring works, but my understanding is it kills the outside cells, which means that the water can't absorb. They've actually left a gap, so that means there's enough of a drip to make sure that the water comes off and doesn't use capillary action to go back up into the timber. On the northern side of the roof, so the roof that's away from the sun, there's big skylights that flood the circulation space with natural light. In this little suburb, it is just the perfect house. It uses the empty space at the front facing the sun to the south, and then on the other side of the road, look at what they've got. This little playground. It's winter now, so it's a bit unloved, but isn't that a great way to live? To have this public space on the other side as well. And with all great architecture in Japan, there must be a power pole in the way every single time.